Hello, it's week 4, and we're discussing energy. And I'm recording this on Wednesday, June 21st, which is the first day of summer, also known as the summer solstice. That's the day of the year where the amount of sunlight is at its greatest. In other words, the length of the day, the visible day, the daylight is the greatest, which also happens to be the first day of winter in the southern hemisphere. And that, I'm not going to go into that, but that fact alone shows that the seasons are due to the inclination or tilt of the earth on its axis and not by its varying distance from the sun. But that's another story. Um, the basic ideas of this chapter are hinted at in the banner. We see uh, Richard Feynman using energy to juggle a ball on the beach. And we see some simple machines like a screw and a pulley, an inclined plane. These machines have uh, not no moving parts or few moving parts, and they convert energy um, from one form to another or redirect it in ways that are perhaps more useful. Okay, that's enough of that. So if we look at this week's module, we have the usual things. So try to get your interactive overview in by Thursday, midnight Thursday, Phoenix time. Let me know how you feel about how things are going. And if you're not feeling great or you're concerned about something, let me know that and let me know why, what it is that is bothering you, what you're not sure about. Okay. You also should respond to the discussion topic. It seems like some of you haven't been very energetic this week yet because I haven't seen any responses yet today. And I'm recording this at 9 p.m. My time, which is 6 p.m. Phoenix time. So we're well into the late afternoon, early evening, and no one has posted since yesterday. So get those posts in. You want to respond by midnight Thursday. So that's the 22nd. Okay, and I guess that's really it. You have the usual assignments. Everything else is due by Monday, this coming Monday. And this Friday, I have a live meeting. So I'd like to see some of you there if you can attend. And I will talk a little bit about energy in general. I'll have a few slides to talk about maybe the history of the development of the concept of energy, because even when people had an idea of energy, they didn't, it took a while for them to really nail down uh, a way to define energy, to measure it, to characterize it. Okay. So I'll talk about that and I'll work through this week's simulation. So I hope to see some of you there. As you see at 6 p.m. Phoenix time, just click on the link before the meeting begins. And I'll show you when it starts in your time zone. That's all for now. And I hope to see some of you on Friday.